20W USB PD technology charges iPhone 8 or later from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes, and other smartphones tablets at optimal speeds. Additional 12W USB-A port fast charges a legacy device simultaneously. Small footprint for a non-intrusive fit to any room. Included 1.2 meters 4-foot USB-C cable with lightning connector fast charges iPhone 8 or later straight out of the box. MFi-certified USB-C cable with lightning connector ensures full compatibility with all iOS devices, and adheres to high standards required by Apple. Top reviews from the United States. Quality charger. Beliun has again built a quality, reliable charging block and cable. Always use Bellini because it is usually better than what is supplied with your phone or tablet. Quick charge. I bought one of these when I bought my iPhone, so I purchased one for our office in case anyone needs to charge their iPhone quickly. We have meetings in our offices, and should anyone forget their charger, this will charge their phone super fast.